In this video, we will look at some of the best circular saw on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. NEU1 Electric Circular Saw. The NEU1 Electric Circular Saw is a robust and versatile tool designed for both professional and DIY enthusiasts. Its impressive specifications and user-friendly features make it a strong contender in the market for power tools. Here's an in-depth look at what the NEU1 Electric Circular Saw has to offer. Angle cutting double locking. The double locking feature ensures stability during angle cutting, providing precise and secure adjustments. This feature enhances safety and accuracy, making the tool reliable for various cutting tasks. Ergonomic handle. The ergonomic handle design allows for easy handling and reduced fatigue during prolonged use. This makes the saw more comfortable to operate, especially for extended periods. Compact and efficient design. Compared to other products in the same category, the NEU1 Electric Circular Saw offers deeper cuts, a more compact body, and a more comfortable operation. The wireless design adds to its safety, eliminating the hassle of cords. Tilt cutting capability. The saw can achieve tilt cutting up to a 50 chamfer. Number for yadra brushless electric circular saws. The yadra brushless electric circular saw is a highly efficient and versatile tool designed for various woodworking tasks. Its robust features and specifications make it an excellent choice for both professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. Here's a detailed review of this impressive tool. Versatile cutting applications. The yadra brushless electric circular saw is designed for a wide range of cutting applications. It is suitable for cutting solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, ceramic tiles, and more. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for various projects. Adjustable bevel cutting angle. The saw features an adjustable bevel cutting angle from 0 to 45. This allows users to perform multi-angle cuts with ease, catering to different cutting requirements and enhancing the tool's versatility. Solid metal guide plate. The solid metal guide plate ensures that the circular saw cuts along the workpiece surface with a consistent cutting depth. This feature provides precision and stability, making it easier to achieve accurate cuts. Comfortable and ergonomic design. The soft rubber handle is designed to provide comfortable operation and better control. Number 3. Leua Lithium Electric Circular Saw. The Leua Lithium Electric Circular Saw stands out as a rechargeable and multifunctional tool, ideal for both household and commercial use. With its powerful specifications and versatile features, this saw is designed to cater to various cutting needs efficiently. Powerful brushless motor. The Leua Lithium Electric Circular Saw is equipped with a brushless motor, ensuring high efficiency and longer service life. Brushless motors are known for their durability and lower maintenance needs, making this saw a reliable tool for extensive use. High wattage range. With a wattage range between 1500W and 1999W, this saw delivers powerful performance capable of handling tough cutting tasks. Number 2. Camly Electric Circular Saw. The Camly Electric Circular Saw is a powerful tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts, boasting a range of features that make it an excellent choice for various cutting tasks. Compatible with Makita 18 volts batteries, this saw is both versatile and efficient. Here's a detailed review of the Camly Electric Circular Saw. Powerful brushless motor. The Camly Electric Circular Saw is equipped with a brushless motor, known for its efficiency and longevity. Brushless motors reduce friction and heat buildup, resulting in a smoother operation and extended tool life. This makes the saw reliable for frequent and extensive use. Number 1. onefed brushless circular saw. The onefed brushless circular saw is a top-tier cordless electric saw designed for precision and efficiency in woodworking tasks. With its advanced features and robust performance, this saw is a valuable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Here's an in-depth review of the onefed brushless circular saw. Efficient brushless motor. The onefed circular saw is equipped with a brushless motor, known for its superior efficiency and longer lifespan. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.